very good evening. Thank you so much for staying with KTN Prime. My name is Kelly Boss and this is KTN Business Prime. Now, Kenya's ever-expanding e-commerce sector is pushing the country's courier network to its breaking point, exposing a gap in last-mile delivery networks. With missed deliveries, limited courier operating hours, and rising demand for more flexible parcel collection, putting pressure on logistics providers to innovate.
We are actually not interrupting the traditional courier system. If anything, we are complementing them. Because what happens is, when we look at our post office today, in 1 year they've only delivered about 1 million parcels. But from the Communication Authority of Kenya, who are our regulators as a courier company, we have had over 100 million parcels in a year. So that's the direction people are moving to, and that's where we are moving to. When we talk to the traditional courier companies, we notice that they have a lot of uncollected items. So we are giving them an opportunity. When they close at 6 p.m., then they can deliver their parcels in a locker, and the people can pick them at their own time any day of the week.
E-commerce market is flourishing. Currently around $3.5 billion transactions, and then we in Kenya have over 100 million parcels hovering around the country. But focus is now to take a good grip on Nairobi, and then later on to expand to other cities.